Do you know why car AC maintenance is so important? A well-maintained car air conditioning unit not only keeps you cool and comfortable during those hot summer drives, but also increases the overall fuel efficiency of your vehicle. Furthermore, it extends the lifespan of the AC system itself, saving you from unexpected repair costs down the line. So, how can you keep your car's AC in top-notch condition? The answer lies in a few simple yet effective steps that you can take to maintain your car's air conditioning system. First on the list is regular filter cleaning. A clean filter ensures that the air flowing into your car is free of dust and other particles. Over time, these particles can clog the filter, reducing the efficiency of the AC system. So make it a habit to clean the filter regularly to keep the air in your car fresh and clean. Next, it's crucial to check the condition of the refrigerant. The refrigerant is the lifeblood of your AC system. It's what cools the air that blows out of your vents. If it's low or contaminated, your AC won't work as efficiently. Therefore, regular checks are necessary to ensure that the refrigerant is in good condition. Thirdly, don't forget about the fan and the blower system. These components are responsible for circulating the cooled air throughout your car. If they're not working correctly, your AC may not cool your vehicle effectively. Regular maintenance of the fan and blower system can prevent these issues. Lastly, check the condition of hoses and connectors. These parts can become worn out over time, leading to leaks in the AC system. Regular checks and replacements when necessary can prevent such problems. Now, you might wonder what products can help you maintain your car's AC system. There are several products on the market specifically designed for car AC maintenance. These products can help maintain the cleanliness, effectiveness, and lifespan of your car's AC system. In summary, car AC maintenance is all about regular checks and preventative measures. By cleaning the filter, checking the refrigerant, maintaining the fan and blower system, and keeping an eye on the condition of hoses and connectors, you can ensure that your car's AC system remains in top shape. It's a small price to pay for the comfort, fuel efficiency, and extended lifespan of your AC system that it provides. Remember, a well-maintained car AC system is not just about comfort. It's about efficiency, longevity, and ultimately peace of mind on those hot summer drives.